AI is, of course, affecting and impacting human in work, but where exactly should we draw a line? Of course, it has already replaced too many people, but will it also eventually impact human decision making and hiring? Welcome back to my Anatomy Presents ITTL podcast series, season 2, episode 7. In this episode, we have Mr. Ravi G Motwani letting us know exactly where should we draw a line.
Now, I've said this in various forums. AI will absolutely transform hiring. Well, it already is. But to replace human decision making entirely, I don't think that's the right goal, or maybe the right direction. And honestly, it shouldn't be. Here's how I think about it. AI is exceptionally good at processing patterns at scale, screening thousands of resumes, flagging the inconsistencies, scheduling multiple rounds of interviews. Let it do that. Where AI falls short is understanding context, reading the hidden words, evaluating human potential. Hiring isn't just about finding someone who fits a JD. It's about finding someone who will grow, who will adapt, who will contribute to a team dynamic that you are actually still building. That requires solid judgment, the kind that comes from experience, from empathy, and of course from conversations. No AI model, in my opinion, can fully replicate that yet. The line I draw in this is AI should inform decisions, not make them. Use it to widen the hiring funnel, reduce the bias in early screening. But every final hiring decision should have a human being accountable for it. Someone who can look a candidate in the eye, ask the unexpected, and make a call that goes beyond match score. The moment we outsource accountability entirely to maybe an algorithm, we stop treating candidates as people. And that's a line we shouldn't cross.